Marampa Mines Limited, or MML, produces high-grade iron ore concentrate near Lunsar in the Port Loko district of Sierra Leone. Marampa Mines is owned and operated by Gerald Group, which has a 90% stake, and the government of Sierra Leone with a 10% stake. Production starts by excavating iron ore of circa 32% Fe content from our Marampa concessions. Mining activities include drill and blast of hard ore. The ore is transported from the mine pit to feeding points at the processing plant to produce 65% Fe grade iron ore concentrate branded Marampa Blue. Currently, the plant produces 3.25 million tonnes per annum of high-grade iron ore concentrate, having completed its first expansion from an initial configuration of 2 million tonnes per year. The design and build for a new M3.75 expansion commenced in late 2022, aimed at raising nameplate capacity and production of high-grade iron ore concentrate to 3.75 million tonnes per annum and at processing competent iron ore. In May 2023, the largest single consignment of equipment, including a gyratory crusher, regrind mill, sag mill, and 2 large cranes, was imported into Freetown Harbour and transported to the mine site for the expansion project. A 22-megawatt power plant was also built as part of the expansion. MML's operations will benefit from expanded crushing, milling, beneficiation, and power generation capacity. The commissioning of the M375 expansion represents a total investment of almost $200 million and a significant milestone for the Marampa project. This will enable a larger output of high-quality product, greater operational efficiency and reliability, and increased flexibility for treating a wide variety of iron ore. MML is determined to supply a cleaner iron ore product. Currently, our in-house logistics operation transports Marampa Blue by truck from the processing plant to Tho Fayum River Port Terminal, where cargo is loaded onto a fleet of marine vessels and carried to an offshore transshipment point at Freetown Harbour for export. Future expansion phases include raising production capacity to 5 million tonnes per annum in the medium term, followed by 10 to 20 million tonnes per annum. MML is working with the Government of Sierra Leone to ensure reliable use of the current PEPL rail and port infrastructure and is developing an optimal energy solution that includes renewables to ensure we are globally competitive and reduce and offset our carbon footprint. MML prioritizes equality, diversity, and building a strong workforce. In 2023, we surpassed our 30% target for women who now represent 34% of our direct employees, a major milestone. Among our key sustainability initiatives, MML Farm supplies fruit and vegetables to the mine's workforce. Our on-site farm is designed around a circular economy concept and a nature-based regenerative approach. Powered by solar energy, it aims to minimize or eliminate waste and exposure to external supply chains. MML has become the first mining company in Sierra Leone to use dry stacking methodology for the deposition of tailings. We are one of the first few mining operations in Africa to deposit tailings in the form of dry stack in a fundamentally safer and more environmentally and community-friendly manner. Under a community development agreement, MML contributes 1% of the FOB value of annual export revenues to a community development fund and plays an active and responsible role in improving the lives of our host communities. Marampa Mines is committed to building a resilient, sustainable, and world-class iron ore company, a globally recognized iron ore concentrate brand, and a strong future for our stakeholders, together with the Government of Sierra Leone.
gentlemen, please rise as we welcome the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone.
Mr. President, we have to thank you for the role you have played in ensuring that these communities receive 1% from the company for their own development.
And I'm proud also as one of the 34% of women who make up Marampa's 3,000 workforce.
And the future now, over the next 2 years, is to expand to 5 million ton output. And beyond that, with access to rail and port, to 10 to 20 million ton per year.
The announcement today of Marampa Mines' second and third tranche contributions to the Community Development Fund, totaling $3.7 million is a testament to the company's commitment to empowering local communities.
Today we celebrate two major milestones of Marampa Mines. The first, the successful commissioning of the 3.7 million tons per year of high-grade iron ore, and the second, the presentation of our 2023 and 2024 Community Development Fund, the largest donation by any mining company in Sierra Leone's history.
Congratulations to all of you who have been involved in reaching this point with the mine and with the community development. And my good wishes to the future success of Marampa Mines. Thank you.
I want to personally pledge with our esteemed paramount chiefs here, political representatives and all local leaders to rally their people, especially the youth, to protect the company's investment.